Hello, this is Rick Fraser with the Cawson Center for Teaching and Learning, and I just want to go over a video with you really quick that is going to show how to import a QTI zip file with a question bank into Respondus. The reason for doing this is simple. Whenever you decide to import a QTI zip file into Canvas, a lot of times you're just going to get questions that you may not want. And culling those questions that you don't want out of that Canvas question bank or quiz can take you a long time, especially when you have to edit each individual question to see what question type it is. For example, there may be a time where you have a question bank and all you want is just only the multiple choice questions in there, but that question bank may contain true and false questions and essay questions also. So the answer to that is to use Respondus. And what we're going to do in this video is we're going to use Respondus to import a QTI zip file, which for example here is chapter1.zip, and then we're going to allow Respondus to be able to either edit that quiz, or we're going to allow Respondus to go ahead and export that quiz directly to Canvas, either one. So to do so, let's go ahead and double click on Respondus 4.0, and that's going to bring Respondus up for you. And as you can see, your current personality right now is Instructure Canvas, and if I were to choose import questions here, I would not be able to import that QTI file. I'll show you. If I click import questions, I don't see the option for QTI, which is the type of personality or the type of file for the question bank that I'm wanting to bring in. So what I need to do is change my current personality to IMS QTI 1 plus or 1.1 plus. And when I do that, if I click the import questions button, then I'm going to see that my type of file is automatically set to QTI. What I need to do next is click the browse button, and I'm going to go ahead and look on my desktop in the folder that contains my QTI zip files. Now the thing is, Respondus is looking for an XML or a QTI, or it's going to look for an XML or a QTI file. What I need to provide the extension for Respondus in this case is going to be a zipped IMS QTI package. And once I click that, then I can see all of my chapters in here. I'm going to go ahead and choose chapter 1 and click open, and what that does is gives me the file name, the image folder where it's located. The thing I need to do next is go ahead and create a new document or a new quiz named chapter 1 quiz. Okay, and the type of file to create will be exam. What I need to do next is go ahead and click the preview button to make sure that all the questions work, and I can see that each of them imported successfully with no problems. And I can see here the title is chapter 1, the question is number 1, and I get a question wording here too. All I need to do next is just click the finish button, and Respondus will take me to the edit tab here at the very top. Okay, I could try to send this directly to Canvas, however, I've not set on the personality for Canvas to do so. So what I need to do is click my drop down for current personality now, and I'm going to choose Instructure Canvas. Now what that's going to do is basically Respondus is going to ask me, are you sure you want to do this? Okay. When I click OK, what's going to happen next is Respondus is going to convert this QTI question file into an Instructure Canvas question file. So all I do now is just click replace current file, and I'm thrown back to the edit tab again, and all of these questions that I imported in from my QTI file are now in the question list, and I can see that there are a total of 115 of them. Okay, so what I can do next is either edit these questions and remove some, and I can scroll through here and see all of the question types that I have, and I've got true and false, I've got multiple choice, and I've got essay, and I can come in here to the side and click the drop down and delete any question that I don't want to exist in this question file. After I do all of that, then I could go to preview and publish to Canvas, and I can send this quiz directly into Canvas. So that covers how to import a QTI zip file with a question bank into Respondus 4.0 enabling you to upload the quiz directly to Canvas from Respondus 4.0. Thank you.